Having confidence in your smile is a challenge that many people face. At Texas Implant and Dental Specialists, we have the key to your confidence. We believe that everyone deserves to have a smile they love. We offer the latest and greatest in dental technology. Our team of doctors are at the forefront of innovation. We are proud to introduce Yomi, our newest dental tech robot. Yomi assists our doctors to place implants using a minimally invasive technique with sub-millimeter precision. Dr. Marco Cueva is a board-certified periodontist specializing in dental implants and periodontal health. With Dr. Cueva leading our team, you can trust you are in good hands. In fact, all of our doctors are specialists in their field, so come to Texas Implant and Dental Specialists for all your dental care needs. At Texas Implant and Dental Specialists, we want to make sure you receive the best dental care you deserve.
My vision is to have the best implant and dental office in Texas.
Texas Implant and Dental Specialists, 3465 National Drive, Suite 100, Plano, Texas.